What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this from right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, The Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title in every video. Once you click the title in every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there scamming people, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So it's New Year's Eve. I want to say Happy New Year's to everybody. A lot of people have been going through a lot of different things this year. A lot of people have been working on their credit this year. A lot of people have been putting themselves in position to make a lot of money this year. A lot of people started off the year broke and ended the year rich. So shout out to everybody that's been trying to get their life together. Shout out to everybody that's been trying to get their credit together. And shout out to everybody that's been trying to tap into the #1 money game in the world. And what's that? Credit. Now, today's video, I'm going to be dropping some gems on how you can start your 2024 off the right way. How you can put yourself in a position to get checks, to get money, free money. Well, it's not free money, but you're going to get these checks 3 times semester, and you can start putting yourself in a position to say, hey, you know what, I'm getting 3 checks here, I'm getting 3 checks there, I can get 2 checks there. So if anything was to happen during this year, I know I'm getting some money, all right? So or you can say, hey, I'm getting this money, I can put this money here, save this money here, invest this money here, start making major plans and major moves with this money. Now, a lot of people growing up, we all get tired of school. Education, we tired of getting up early, going to class, being tired, all that. Once we graduate high school, we're done. We're not going to school, right? And that's majority of the people out there. But if you're somebody who actually wants to be successful in life, if you're somebody who actually wants to create generational wealth and become successful and put other people in a position to win, well, you can finesse school. And how can you finesse school? This is how you can finesse school. One, they're going to pay you to go to school. So if you learn the logistics of how school and how college works and how certain schools and the tuition works, you will know that if you go to a 2-year school, a 2-year college, a tech school or tech college or junior college or anything like that, you're going to get a refund check. You get a refund checks when you go to university, but they be small. But since you're going to a 2-year school, you're going to get the same amount of financial aid that you get if you're going to a university, but you're going to have to pay less, so that means you're going to get more money back. Now, it's a lot of people like, man, I'm not going to school, man, I'm not doing that, man. Okay, now let me put it to you like this. You sign up for financial aid, you get signed up for school, now you're enrolled in school. You get a check before school starts, and you get 2 more checks 3 weeks after school starts. And the checks can be between $5,500 to $10,000, even if not a little less or if not a little more, depending on your situation. A lot of people drop out of school once they get that first check. But why do that? If you can get 2 more checks that semester. Now, if you know anything about the 2-year school or the junior college system, you have to stay in school or those classes at least 60% of the time before you drop out of those classes and won't be penalized. So which means as long as you're in school for those classes for at least 60% of the time and you drop those classes, you won't be penalized, and you can take those exact same classes next semester and have all the work already, because it's going to be the same lecture, the same questions, the same work, same thing. You already got the answers. So signing up for school, it's a win-win situation, because they're going to pay you and you're going to be able to get a degree and be able to get educated and learn things as you go. Now, myself, I did the 2-year college thing for 6 years. I finessed it for 6 years. That means for 6 years, I got at least 6 to 8 checks. If I went to summer school, they gave you a check during summer school too. So for 6 years, I put myself in a position to get 6 to 8 checks a year. That means January I got a check, March or sometime around that time, I got 2 checks. Then if I'm with the summer school, I got a check. Then when August came, I got a check. Then when October came, I got 2 more checks for 6 years. So which means that first check, what was it, like $7,500? $7,500. I took that $7,500, got me an apartment, got me a car, put the rest up. Next time flies. Now you got that, say you saved at least $3,500, $4,500, $4,000. Boom. You finna get another $7,500. Now, if you really want that money, you can go to summer school, so you can get like $2,500. Boom. So $2,500 in summer school, boom. Drop out of summer school, so free $2,500. Boom. Then August come, boom. You get another $2,500 check. Boom. That's $6,000 you got put up. Boom. Now you finna get another $6,000 with the other 2 checks. Boom. Now you got what? $12,000 right there that you didn't save, and you can be taking that money and investing it. So, and I did this for at least 6 years. Made at least $60,000, $70,000 off school, just saving the money, getting the money, investing the money, putting money here, putting money there. Because we all know after 7 years, any collections on your credit account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. So a lot of people wonder, how can they put themselves in a position to win? How can they put themselves in a position to get some money? Well, if you don't have no way, like no type of hustle, no way to get no money, I'm telling you right now, go sign up for financial aid. Go find your local technical 2-year school in your area. Sign up, find you a major that you would be interested in, learn something, make some money, get a degree, and get paid at the same time. And once you're done with that, you can pay back that loan and it'll reflect on your credit, and you can start building your credit that way, or you can go the other route. School will give you money to invest into certain things. It's loans. It's another way to get loans. Subsidized and unsubsidized loans. One builds interest, the other one doesn't. But this is how you put yourself in the loan world. Get some money. It's the same thing with business loans, personal loans. It's the exact same thing. They giving you the money. What you gonna do with it? Just because somebody gets some money, what are you gonna do with it? Are you gonna invest it into something that's gonna make you money back? Or are you gonna invest it or spend it on something that's not gonna make you any money at all? Because the number one game in the world is credit. And the main goal is to make passive income. And how do we make passive income? Is by investing in things that's going to make us money back while we sleep. So anybody out there that's looking to start their 2024 off right, get themselves in a better position, go sign up for financial aid. Go sign up for school. Once you get in school, you automatically. Oh yeah, and this is another thing. It's independent and it's dependent students. If you're an independent student, you're going to get more money than a dependent student. But more than likely, everybody on here is independent. So go to FAFSA.gov, fill out your FAFSA, your financial aid. Go Google your local neighborhood technical college that's downtown, wherever it's at. I went to 3-4 different schools, getting money, getting checks from them over the span of 6 years. Every tech school that was in my range that I can drive to and go to, I went to it. And then I did it so much that I was actually passing classes because I actually wanted to get the money, that I ran out of financial aid and I was only a semester away from graduating. So I said, you know what, let me just pay for it, get my degree. And I got my degree. Business and marketing. And you can do it too. How can you do it too? Because I took online classes, and I'm going to just say it's a lot of help online when it comes to, school work and college work and online work and things like that, because a lot of schools use the same curriculum. So it's going to be on the internet. Everything's on the internet, all right? So you're somebody that wants to go to school and get some free checks and don't have time to go into class. Online class is cool. The internet will be there to help you along the way, and you'll learn something, and you start to educate yourself some more, and you better yourself and be proud of yourself and making money at the same time. All right, so for 2024, anybody out there that's broke, anybody out there looking to put themselves in a position to start getting some money, getting some checks, go sign up for financial aid, FAFSA.gov. Once you sign up for financial aid, go sign up for your local tech school, 2-year college. Once you sign up for them, find you a major, get everything situated, get in school, Get your classes situated, get your financial aid situated so you can put yourself in a position to get those checks. Once you start getting those checks, start investing it, start saving it, start putting it in places where you can start getting more money, passive income, and I promise you, you'll be a whole new person. Next videos, I'm gonna be talking about more passive income, how to make $50,000 to $100,000 a month in passive income, how to start getting credit, how to start getting credit on the personal business side, how to start leveraging it, how to start doing a lot of things, how to create generational wealth. All right, so shout out to everybody that's been watching my videos. Shout out to all my new subscribers, old fans, new fans. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems that will teach you everything that you need to know. Everything in the book on how to start making money. You'll get the 8 instant cash out methods. You can get the New Age Credit Repair Handbook. I'm going to teach you how to start making passive income. I'm going to teach you how to make $50,000 a month off social media, sitting down off an iPhone. I'm going to show you how to clean your credit, build your credit, get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, CPN sauce, plus more. Right? Everything you need to know in the FaceTime 101 Limited Gems for $600. Don't miss out because prices will be going back to regular prices real soon, top of the year. So do not miss out on that opportunity. Also, book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person Limited Gems. $4,500 come to me, $5,500 if I got to come out of state to you. All right, and you got to pay for my flight and hotel. All right, so tap in, get your in-person Limited Gems. $4,500 in state, $5,500 out of state. Come learn this sauce in person. Come learn how to get rich. Come learn how to create generational wealth. Come learn how to get your credit together. Come learn how to get your life together. Because I promise you, once you leave my lesson and you really paying attention, you really hearing and grasping what I'm saying, you really ready to win, you're going to take that information and you're going to win for sure, right? Hundreds of people is winning out here. Shout out to everybody that's got my lessons, that's making money, that's put themselves on their life on a new track and actually elevating the life. All right, so shout out to y'all. Also, follow me on and go tap into my Telegram, Wealth and Riches, if you want to tap into the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards. If anybody, also make sure you follow my Telegram. Do not get faked out by none of these fake King Hussle Telegrams. Do not get scammed by none of these fake King Hussle Telegrams. Wealth and Riches, link is in my community post and in my bio, the links and all my descriptions that once you click the more on every video so you can't miss it. So make sure you tap in. 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards is $320. FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems is $600. Come get y'all World Tour t-shirts, $160. But if you want your t-shirt plus one free live, plus one method, either the Cash App glitch or how to make $50,000 a month all profit or one free live card, is $200. All right, so the shirt itself is $160. Shirt, one method, and one free live card is $200. So don't miss out on that deal. Shout out to all my real fans that's been tapping in, getting y'all t-shirts. Shout out because everybody's tapping in, got their t-shirts. I've been sending them some in the mail, a little extra. So shout out to y'all. Second round order of t-shirts and live cards will be going out this week, so be patient with that. And we finna turn up 2024, man. It's your boy King Hussle. We finna get this credit game popping. We finna get this generational wealth popping for everybody. And we finna really run it up. I want to see everybody Mercedes, Lamborghinis, big houses and all that. All right, so long as you ain't a hater, tap in. It's your boy King Hussle. I see y'all at the next video. Peace.